Good morning everyone. Today's topic is sterilization, disinfection, sanitization, antiseptics and the difference between cydic and static agents. So the first topic is sterilization. Sterilization is a process that kills all forms of life. When I say all forms of life, I include bacteria, fungi, algae and even acellular entities like virus, viroids and prions. Sterilization is a very extreme process and hence it must be used only on inanimate objects. That is, sterilization can be done only on non-living things. The agents that are used for sterilization are called sterilants. Examples for some sterilants are ethylene oxide, glutaraldehyde and hydrogen peroxide. And the second topic is disinfection. Disinfection is a process that removes pathogens. The agents that are used in disinfection are called disinfectants. Disinfection is a less effective process comparing sterilization. This is because bacterial endospores are resistant to disinfection, whereas they can be killed with the help of sterilization. Disinfectants can be used only on inanimate objects. This is because it is harmful and toxic to humans and animals. Disinfectants work in two ways. They will either destroy the cell wall of the organism or else they will interfere with the metabolism of the microorganism, which in turn will delay the growth and reproduction of that particular organism. Examples of disinfectants are formaldehyde, alcohol and chlorine. Disinfectants are commonly used in homes and also in hospitals. And the third topic is sanitization. Sanitization is a process in which the microbial population is reduced to a level that is considered to be safe. It is milder than disinfectant. Since sanitization is milder than disinfectants, it can be used to clean things that are in human contact. For example, sanitization is done for certain utensils in restaurants. And the fourth topic is antiseptics. Antiseptics are chemicals that are applied on body surfaces which helps in inhibiting the growth of pathogens. Antiseptics are made in such a way they do not harm the living tissues. It is due to this reason that antiseptics are not cheap and they are not as effective like a sterilant or a disinfectant. They can either slow down or stop the growth of pathogens, which in turn helps in preventing the infection. There are certain chemicals that can be used either as an disinfectant and also as an antiseptic. Example, hydrogen peroxide. 6% of hydrogen peroxide can be used for cleaning the wounds, which is an antiseptic. On the other hand, 30% of the hydrogen peroxide can be used as a bleach and also as an oxidizing agent. Here it serves the purpose of a disinfectant. Now we will discuss about the two suffixes cide and static. First we will discuss about the suffix cide. Cide means to kill. Bactericide is a substance that is used to kill bacteria. Fungicide is a substance that is used to kill fungi. Algicide is a substance that kills algae. Viricide is a substance that is used to kill viruses. On the other hand, the suffix static indicates to stop. Example, bacteriostatic agents or chemicals that inhibits the growth of bacteria but they do not kill bacteria. Fungistatic drugs or fungistatic agents or chemicals that helps in inhibiting the growth of fungi. At the same time, they do not kill fungi. All the four processes of sterilization, disinfection, sanitization and antiseptics have a common property to reduce the total microbial population. That is, they are targeted to kill pathogens, but at the same time they will kill or inhibit the growth of non-pathogens as well. Thank you so much for listening to the entire video.